Hello guys and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best video app that you can get video and play music in one time. So it's available in the App Store and also in the Play Store. So as you see that it is the best app, so let's open on it. As you see that we have different options. We have the flash option, we have the record options that it's need to be pro. We have the timer, and in down we have the music that we can play Apple Music, Spotify Music, and YouTube, and others. We have a we can have a speech, we have the camera. So another thing, we have the brightness that we can bright our videos. We have to 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 do it like this. We have the zoom option that we can zoom as much we want. That as you can see that we can zoom it like that. So it's more useful to make our videos. And last we have the colors that we can do it by the any colors we want. So and last we have the settings that we have the profile, restore, and start media monitor pro. We have the music platform that we can add the musics. We have the camera settings, we have the document and data, we have the app setting and info, and we have help and support, the policy. And then last, I recommend all of you guys that download the app, that it is the best app ever I seen before. Thanks for watching, and guys, if you want to have more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and comment that which apps do you want.